Yamaha has unveiled its 2025 R1 Superbike, tailored exclusively for track use, showcasing a range of technical upgrades designed to enhance performance. This announcement follows the brand's decision to discontinue road homologation for the R1 in Europe, citing the stringent Euro 5+ emissions regulations and evolving market trends. However, Yamaha fans can still rejoice as the R1 will be available in a track-only format, akin to the R6, which has transitioned to the R6 race. The new R1 will be available to UK customers starting April 2025, offered in two variants, the base R1 race and the high-spec R1 GYTR. Pricing details are yet to be disclosed. Both models are unapologetically race-focused, with the GYTR version featuring a striking primer black finish rather than a traditional paint job. Significant updates to the R1 center around suspension, braking, and aerodynamics, alongside a new grippy seat. One of the standout changes is the redesigned fork setup, featuring 43mm Kashima-coated KYB forks. Each fork leg has individual adjusters for rebound and compression damping, allowing for precise tuning. The right leg manages rebound control while the left handles compression, providing a refined damping response and improved stability on the track. In addressing previous concerns about braking performance, the new R1 boasts a complete overhaul of its braking system. It now features a radial Brembo master cylinder paired with Brembo Stylema monoblock calipers, significantly enhancing front-end feel and overall stopping power. Following current trends in superbike design, both R1 models sport MotoGP-inspired carbon fiber winglets, designed with insights from the Yamaha factory racing MotoGP team. These winglets aim to improve stability, reduce wheelies, and enhance grip during braking and cornering. Power remains unchanged, with the well-known 998cc cross-plane crank inline-4 engine producing 197 brake horsepower. The chassis, including the aluminium delta box frame, upward truss swing arm, and magnesium subframe, remains consistent with the outgoing R1M, ensuring high-quality handling. Electronics are largely retained from the road model, featuring Yamaha's chip-controlled ride-by-wire throttle and a 6-axis IMU for rider aids. The R1 race represents an evolution rather than a complete overhaul, building on nearly 3 decades of incremental improvements. For those seeking an even more refined track experience, the R1 GYTR comes loaded with performance enhancements. While the engine and chassis are similar to the base model, the GYTR includes race-developed features that enhance adjustability and reduce weight. Notably, gearing is adjusted with a 1542-tooth sprocket setup to improve acceleration. The GYTR also incorporates an adjustable racing ECU for optimized power delivery, though peak output remains aligned with the standard model. Additional enhancements for the GYTR include a glass fiber race cowl for increased strength and reduced weight, an Akrapovic race muffler, upgraded brake lines, and Z04 racing pads for improved braking performance. Riders can further customize ergonomics with adjustable rear sets and clip-ons. The GYTR package also comes equipped with essential racing accessories, including a keyless ignition switch, racing fuel cap, sharpened sprocket guard, brake lever guard, and more. Overall, the 2025 Yamaha R1 race and R1 GYTR represent a focused commitment to track performance, ensuring riders have access to top-tier machinery for competitive racing.